I was exhausted, my skin was dull. Then I drank this every morning for 30 days. Everything changed. I woke up tired every single day. My body had given up. And honestly, so had I. A friend mentioned beetroot juice. I had ignored it my whole life. This time something made me stop and listen. Day 1. 1 glass every morning. 30 days. No skipping. I made that promise to myself. 1 beetroot, a little ginger, half a lemon, the simplest recipe that gave me the biggest results. Earthy, strong, unexpected. But something about it felt like exactly what my body had been waiting for. Day 5, the bloating I had lived with for years was already beginning to disappear. Beetroot converts into nitric oxide in your body, relaxing your blood vessels and improving circulation naturally. End of week 1, I stopped reaching for coffee at 3 p.m. Real steady energy, all day long. Week 2, 3 people asked what I was doing differently. The glow was real, and it was coming from the inside. Beetroot delivers more oxygen to your muscles. My workouts went from a struggle to something I actually looked forward to. Day 12. The brain fog lifted completely. I was thinking clearly for the first time in years. The stiffness in my joints that I had ignored for so long, quietly fading. Day by day, sip by sip. Beetroot protects your liver and supports natural detox. By week 3, I felt cleaner than I had in years. Week 3, I was standing taller, smiling more. People noticed before I even said a word. Nobody warned me my urine would turn pink. I panicked for 30 seconds. Totally normal, totally harmless, slightly hilarious. 1 beetroot, half a lemon, fresh ginger, 1 small apple, cold pressed, empty stomach, every morning. That is it. Day 30, better digestion, glowing skin, steady energy, less inflammation. I found all of it in a humble red beetroot. Your 30 days start tomorrow. 1 glass. That is all. Come back and tell me what changed. I will be right here waiting.